How to save favorite item on Vinted. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome again. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can save your favorite items on Vinted. As human beings, there is always a tendency for you to like an item more than the other. And so while going through your own page, there's a probability or possibility for you to see items that you would like and you would really love to purchase. So if you come across this, to like an item or to save your item to your favorite items is very simple. So once you go through your items on your homepage and then you see an item that you really like, but you cannot afford it yet, all you need to do is to click on the icon on that particular item this way. And so after clicking on that item, the item would be saved to your favorite item automatically. And you can do this for as many items as you want. And then the amazing thing about adding an item to your favorite items is because it allows you to keep track of the price drops. All right, if the seller lowers the price, you'll be notified, and also you will also receive personalized offers about that particular item that you've added to your favorite, and it helps you to organize your wish list. So you can just go ahead and add as many items as you love to your favorite items so that you can know about this when the price goes down or when it increases or when you have personalized offers on those items. So this is how you can like items on your Vinted account. So what's stopping you? And sure, you try it out today. Thank you for watching.